everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a power strip towel with surge protection. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a power strip towel from the company EyGde. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. This has 12 AC outlets. It has 5 different USB ports. It also has 4 different individual power on and off switches that you guys can use to actually turn off a section of the power strip when you're not using it. And then the great thing about this power strip is one of the USB ports is a quick charge and the rest of the USB ports are at 3.1. So if you have many devices that you need to charge up or have plugged in at the same time, this is something that's really ideal, you know, especially in a work environment or at schools. This product would be fantastic to use in a classroom or in an office. But before we actually get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I receive. So you guys have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys enjoyed this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then lastly, our business increase email is CrewElite@outlook.com. If you guys want to send me a message or potentially want to work together, you guys can send me an email through that email. And then also, if you guys actually want to check out this surge protector power strip, there'll be a link down below and also more information about this power strip, so you guys can get more information and also get the link to purchase this power strip if you're actually interested in purchasing it. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, you know, the box does have a very nice stylish design. As I flip it around, you guys can see there's a few specifications and details about this power strip. What we're going to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see on the front of the box, you guys can see this is a picture of the power strip. You guys can see it says EyGde power strip. EyGde is actually enjoy good experience. This is what their company or their brand is actually based off. So that's actually a really cool name that this company has. And then lastly, there's a few specifications and details that you guys can take a pause and read if you're interested in this kind of info. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually proceed to unbox this power strip. So all you need to do is lift up this flap and pull back, open up the box just like that, and then basically the power strip is inside. So let me pull it out, and that's basically it for the packaging. So let me put this box off to the side. So the power strip comes in a plastic bag, which I am going to open up. And you guys can see this is how the power strip actually looks like. And we also get a user guide with this power strip. This will give you guys more information on how to set it up and also more information and details about this power strip. But you guys can see this is how the power strip actually looks like on the secondary camera angle. On the primary camera angle, you guys can see it's actually pretty big, you know. It doesn't take up a lot of space though, which is really good. It's actually a pretty minimalistic power strip. So I like how they were able to actually make it small and compact. You guys can see we have 3 AC ports on this side with a power on and off switch. On this side, we have another 3 AC ports with power on and off switch with a reset button right there. This side, we have 3 AC ports with a power switch. Over here, we actually have some of our USB ports. So you guys can see we have 4 that are USB 3.1, and then we have 1 that is actually a quick charge 3.0 port. So that's really nice. And then on this side, you guys can see we have another 3 AC ports that you guys can use and utilize with this power strip. The cable itself is actually 6 feet long, so you guys can actually use this cable for a pretty decent length. So, you know, this cable is pretty long. It's a pretty long extension cable that you guys can use to plug in and have it plugged in towards, you know, the side of your couch or something, so you guys can plug in multiple devices nearby. But what we're gonna do now is actually proceed to actually test out and demonstrate this PAL strip. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is actually test out this PAL strip. So what we're gonna do is actually unwrap this AC plug and plug it into the PAL source. So we currently have the PAL strip powered on, and you guys can see there is a faint little green light showing up on the PAL strip. So what we're gonna do now is actually test this PAL strip out with a few devices. The first thing we're gonna test out is going to be one of my camera batteries. And we're gonna plug it onto this side. So let me plug it in, and once I flip the switch, it should power on. So let's see. Yep, the light turned on, meaning that this PAL strip is charging up this camera battery. The next thing we're going to test out is going to be one of my light panel's batteries. So let's flip it onto this side and plug it into this side of the PAL strip. Let's plug it into the bottom one, the middle one this time. You guys can see the light is red, meaning that this PAL strip is charging up my CrewElite battery. Next up, we're going to plug in some headphones. So I'm going to plug it into this side of the PAL strip, and let's take the headphones now and plug it in to my headphones, or I should say the cable into my headphones. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a faint little red light indicating that this headphone is indeed being charged up by this PAL strip. The next thing that we're going to test out is going to be a little CrewElite that I use in some of my videos. You guys can see it's just a nice little light panel. This actually is a USB-C one, but let me plug it into the back side, the side that we haven't plugged anything on. Okay, let's plug it into this one. Let me plug it into the light panel, and I don't know if you guys can see that there is a faint little green light, meaning that this PAL strip is charging up this LED light panel. Next up, what we're gonna do is actually plug in my phone and see if my phone can get charged up. So let me plug in my phone onto the back side, take the cable, and plug my phone in. And if my phone turns on, that means this charger, or I should say PAL strip, is charging it up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my phone did boot up, or I should say turned on, meaning that this PAL strip is indeed charging up my phone. So what we're gonna do now is plug in a speaker via a USB cable instead of a AC port. So let me take a cable here, plug it into the back of this speaker, and then we're gonna plug this into one of the USB ports. I'm gonna plug it into the top one, so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a faint little green ring on this speaker, meaning that it is getting charged up. So we have a lot of things plugged in at the moment, but we still have one more thing that I do want to plug in before we kind of conclude this demonstration. I have a keyboard here that I'm going to plug in with another USB cable. We're going to plug it into the quick charge port this time. I don't know if you guys can see that though, but there was a little faint little green light showing up on the top of the keyboard, meaning that this PAL strip is indeed charging up all of these devices. So we have a magnitude of different devices that we connected. You know, a speaker, we did headphones, we did a keyboard, we did my phone, we did a LED light panel, we also did one of my camera batteries, as you guys can see. We did a few of my light batteries as well, and we just tested out a bunch of random things, and they all, you know, seem to work fine with this surge protector PAL towel that we just tested out. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks, and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this PAL strip towel from the company EyGde? I think this is a fantastic PAL strip. It's just very protected. It's also really sleek and also very modern, and it just looks really nice and presentable. And I like how they kind of packed up all these different ports and outlets into this nice little minimalistic design and finishing. So I think that is fantastic that they were able to accomplish that with this PAL strip. And the fact that this PAL strip is also surge protected, meaning that when you plug in your devices, they'll all all going to be protected is also a nice feature that this power strip actually has to offer. But anyways, what we're going to do now is actually wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if you guys are new to this YouTube channel. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. Have any questions or concerns about this power strip, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I receive. So you guys have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then lastly, if you guys want to email us with our business inquiries email, the email will be CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message and we could potentially work together, or you guys can send me a message if you need assistance. But also, if you guys also want to check out this product or get more information about this power strip, there will be a link down below and also more information about this product and also the link to purchase this product if you're interested in making a purchase. But anyways, what we're going to do now is actually wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you all for watching and have a good rest of your day.